So I'm Chase Nachtmann. I'm a senior in electrical engineering at Oregon State University. And myself, Brenden Hatton, and Aidan Daly-Jensen, also seniors, have been working all year on a project called the StreamHub, which is a collaborative effort with Tektronix to make a project that will supplement their line of real-time spectrum analyzers and eventually integrate with arbitrary waveform generators. One of the cool things about a spectrum analyzer that researchers use for radar and telecommunications purposes is to isolate specific frequencies in the signals that you would see in devices such that use Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and any other kind of wireless communications. So what we can do with that then is you can take this signal and then analyze it and adjust it and tweak it to where it's something that you would like to see on the output that's more optimal. And so that's what we were shooting for with this project. So what we can do is simulate the output from a spectrum analyzer, and we can show you the waveform data that we're capturing. And this is the raw waveform data in ones and zeros. We got 3.2 gigabits per second of data that comes through here. So what we're going to do now is a quick demonstration of the device in action. What we do is we have our project set up here on top of the spectrum analyzer. So what we can do is output the signal from the spectrum analyzer, and we can display it on two different channels. The top here is the original waveform, and the bottom one is one that we can modify. And so what we're going to do is clip off the top of the signal to change the amplitude from about 40 millivolts down to about 20 millivolts. We can also do other operations such as inverting the wave and stretching out the frequency. I guess probably the coolest thing about the project is being able to work with actual industry engineers, going through the whole design process from starting with a schematic and ending up with something that could become a product one day. And going through all the steps is something that isn't always covered in school, and it's very cool to be able to get that real world experience before going out into the job market.